Hey y'all, Mama Snark here. We're at Moody Gardens. So today's been a day. We were going to go to Schlitterbahn Galveston, which is like literally right next door. And we got here. The last time we went, Weezer was still in my belly and Man Cub was a baby. So we went there, we assumed it was still indoor water park because on the calendar it said partial opening. So I assumed that meant like last time just the indoor spot was open. So we get here after a like 2-hour delay in traffic. Traffic was literally at a standstill. They shut the interstate down on the way here. So get to Schlitterbahn and realize they no longer have indoor spots. So we get there, there's no longer an indoor spot. It's cold outside today. I'm wearing long sleeves. It's like maybe 60 degrees at the most and windy. And it's just way too cold for the kids to swim. Like they'll get pneumonia. So we changed our minds. Got our tickets refreshed and we are now heading into Moody Gardens we're gonna head to the Rainforest pyramid behind these trees here because Weezer is obsessed with parrots lately. So this is our attempt to save the 2-hour drive to Galveston.
Oh, it's right there. Look, it's a frog.
Oh,
look at the frog.
I can point to it.
There is a gecko in there somewhere.
There's another frog up here.
Up here at the top.
And some up there. Oh, yep, there's a lizard at the very top left.
There's a bunch of frogs.
He's a brown lizard with a stripe.
What kind of frogs are they?
Brown lizards.
This little boy right here loves him some lizards. Go ask Toot Toot to pick you up. You were not light.
The green guy. In the middle. Right in the middle.
Oh wow, that's a good one, bud.
Do you like this place?
Oh my goodness. What we got? Whoa!
Look at this
Look.
list. Come over here.
You
Where
realize
is he?
that's the one that I kept trying to get
Right here.
you guys to let me get when I ended up with the
Do
left
you
camera,
realize
right?
why I wouldn't want you to have that?
Yeah, that's a prehensile
Yeah, don't
tail.
bang,
Yeah,
Weeze.
prehensile tail. Those look great.
Look at those fingers. Come see, Bubba. A fluffy one. I was like, what are we looking at? Look at that little thing up there.
Look at all the colors on it.
It's a... Where are they?
They're on the lower tier over there.
Ah.
I can barely see them over the rock.
Oh,
Sorry,
oh, oh, oh.
we can't see them.
There they are. God, those are
It's
huge.
them giant river otters.
Hey, what are
He's getting ready to poop. I see the squat waddle.
What are
guys.
they called?
Giant river otters.
Giant liver?
You know what? Uncle Dick, if you go to Uncle Dick's house, he's got those in his pond
Are they
in front of his
wrestling
house.
or what are they doing?
But they're little ones.
Where's he going? Where's he going? He's going to swim. Gotcha.
There we go. Look at him. Look how they swim.
So funny. Hey.
Are they gonna jump the rock?
I like how they just kind of swim. Yeah.
So I go over.
See if I can find it. Just below the pool.
What are
Whoa.
I can't see them.
You can't see them?
There's a softy monkey too. S-H-A-I.
You see a parrot? Yeah. And a waterfall. This is pretty cool, huh? There's some other kind of bird in the tree over there. Don't mind my kid just trying to break the bridge. Stingrays and turtles. My kids.
Look at him. That bird. He has pretty blue eyes.
What's it eating? Some fruit?
See him eating?
That's mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Is it eating fruit?
See their tongue?
Whoa!
Oh, look at that bird.
That's a street bird.
Pretty.
Dad does say that's a street bird, buddy.
Pigeon.
Don't let it drive the bus
The other one.
or stay up late. And parrots.
Bat cage.
Ooh, bat cage. I actually really like bats.
Hey, under.
Ooh. There's another bat back there too hanging out. Look at him! Look at this thing! Oh, 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 whoa! Was that funny?
Did you see him run by?
I didn't know it was not caged in.
What do you think was holding them?
Oh my gosh. Hold on, Bubba. Hold on, Bubba. Look, there are bats down there. So I thought this netting encompassed that monkey, and that thing just came right up. Was not caged in at all, apparently. And this little guy. Whoa. To the left? What am I looking at? Oh, the bats? Yeah. Yeah, I thought this net was like encompassed the monkey too, but it didn't. Yeah. Oh, leaf cutter ants.
Leaf cutter ants are his favorite.
Oh, wow.
You like those, Bubba? What, leaf cutter ants are his favorite?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
You didn't play the ant game with them. The ant,
God, this is like nightmare inducing.
yeah, you see the pile down here where they made the nest? They're all throughout here. Get your son. Get your son.
Oh gosh.
Up on him.
He's
Trying
creeping.
to pet him.
He thinks he's gonna pet that bird. Oh, there's another one. I didn't see that bigger one. Oh gosh. Did you get behind you, Bubba? Behind you! Oh my god! I should also say, I hate birds. So this is kind of nightmare inducing for me. But Weeze is recently obsessed with parrots, so. Sorry. It's a statue. Yeah.
Don't climb, no.
So what else are they supposed to do with those legs? It's just flowers?
Yeah.
Is there anything in it?
No, they don't feed
Funnest hunting gallery.
They're literally selfish.
I don't see anything. Oh, look, back here. In the very back.
Oh,
On the branch.
There's a chameleon.
Come,
He's
come,
brown.
come,
He's
come, come,
camouflaged. Can you turn brown?
chameleon.
Look underneath the leaf right there.
Hold on, baby.
Back.
Sorry. Let's see. Oh, look, there's one. It's kind of a fun game to hunt and see what you can find. I don't see anything else. Look at this giant thing. Look at those eyes. That looks like Pascal, huh? Yeah.
I always wanted one of these. Look right here. This big chameleon. Look at his eyes.
You see it?
He's the big chameleon. Does
Does chameleon live in nature? Yes. This one's commandeered Toot Toot. Hunting tools. There is an anteater. I think it's a porcupine.
Big porcupine. No,
That's a porcupine. Look at that sucker.
That's a porcupine. Look at it. Look at that tail.
Look at those quills.
Is he spiky? He's like a stinging caterpillar.
Oh god, it's like a rat tail.
What do you think they're related to?
Well, it does look like a big neutral rat, doesn't it? Snake. I guess this is supposed to keep the birds from going through there. What you see, Wheeze? Oh, there's spiders somewhere in there. I don't see one. You see any? Watch out. Watch out. What do you see? The blue thing?
It's a shiny parking lot bird.
Someone watch her. Hey, Lala, make sure you watch her next sit. Don't, Don't sit. Those little booty butt wiggles. Her. Careful. There's one over there splashing around. Look at that one splashing.
Why is it called a flash duck?
Did you call it a trash duck?
No, flash duck.
A splash duck?
Mommy.
Oh, he picked his head up.
Oh, it's on the move now. Look at it. Oh, look at that tongue.
How big his tongue
here, bud.
is. Do you see his tongue?
There we go.
What?
Look at it.
That tongue?
Look at that tongue go.
Tango.
You see its tongue?
What do you? Oh, and it's got a
Tango.
He has two tongues.
Does he have two tongues?
It's split like a fork.
He's got a V.
He's a big guy.
He's on the move, huh?
Oh, he'll get you.
Hey, Dad.
See, big look at him. Look, there he goes.
What you think, Wheeze?
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
I think he moves like Lala, kind of slow.
Look.
Blue goldfish.
Careful.
Is that blue goldfish?
Blue goldfish. It goes all the way down there.
Is it blue goldfish?
Are they blue goldfish? He's talking about that one.
The blue one.
This is making me nervous. There's no like ledge.
The blue goldfish.
What?
What is that guy?
You want that beak swarm?
She's trying to call to it like a cat. What you think, Bubba?
I like it.
Hey, you see the parrot, Wheeze? You see the parrot right there? A parrot! You see it, Wheeze? A parrot! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Bat cave!
Little ones.
I don't see them.
They're up there on a ceiling.
They are?
Yep.
I don't see any of them.
They're up in the corner of
Oh, up
Come see, bud.
by the light, kind of right there. Little bitty ones.
I think their light is too bright.
You think their light's too bright? Maybe. Huh. Look at that sucker. Oh, look at the turtle. This place is pretty cool. I actually saved a turtle while I was running the other day.
You did.
Yeah, I was running and it was in the middle of the road. So I picked it up and moved it to the grass, hoping it'll find its way back to the pond. There's another one getting up. There it goes. And there's another one swimming too. Hey Wheeze, what is that? Look at me. Look at Mama. What is that?
Parrot.
Parrot. Be very careful, please. Whoa.
And the water is big way than platypus.
Here's another stingray coming.
That's real parenting right there. And I've got a grip on her arm. Well, that was rude. She just shoved Toot away. Oh. Narrowly avoided a handful of. Those are piranhas?
Mean fish.
They have teeth.
Oh, there it is. I don't think you can see it, but there it is.
Those babies.
Look at
They're right in front of you.
No, look up. There's like a horde of them like cuddling together. That's really cool. That's bananas.
Oh, and there's one feeding up there. Look, there's one who wants us.
What you see, Bubba?
There's a ladybug.
Out of all the things here, we found a little ladybug.
Hey, Dada. Hey, Dada, come here.
What? You see it, Lee?
The little ladybug. I really like that.
What was that, Bubba? What was that?
I really like him.
You really like him?
Look, another bird I like.
You really like him?
Yeah, them too.
Yeah.
Look at the other one.
Oh,
Look,
look at the other one.
eating the carrots.
Oh,
What is that?
you see it back
Look at
there?
it flip its tail.
What? He's stupid.
It's like a little baby It's behind you. It's a blue duker? Diker? Oh yeah, it says rhymes with hiker, so it's a blue diker. This is cool. You can see where they get everything together. Lizard. It's so fogged up you can't even see in the cage. They're showing it like in a carcass.
That's food.
I'm glad I can't find the roach. This is my worst nightmare room.
Guys, come see this.
Oh man.
Oh, they're eating the orange. Who's eating the orange? Those are big old cockroaches.
I think that one's dead. That one's just on its back.
Giant cave roaches.
That's disgusting.
Those are nasty.
Giant cave.
Ew.
By the tree back there.
In the very back.
See his head sticking up? He's coiled up. There's a big one. Look at the big one. Bushmaster. That's rattlesnake.
Ooh. That thing.
Good viper. The right one, I guess.
Hey, that's it.
That was a bushmaster.
You see the green one?
Yeah,
Ah.
here.
Here, Bubba, come here.
No. There's another
You
one.
see him? Oh yeah, look at the top of the tree too. Is that his food?
Yeah. Spider. We'll take a picture of.
Kind of a big meal. So this is where they prepare all the foods.
Hey, Polly, do you want a penny bank after ice cream?
Alright guys, that's it for the very short, not the vlog that I was gonna do, but thank you guys for following along. Give this video a like, thumbs up, hit subscribe, ring that notification bell. It goes a long way to helping the channel grow so we can continue to do more videos like this one. So thank you guys.